make sure that she could walk away from me in person, just like she did in Nashville. She fucking did. After 4 months of that shit, you'd be amazed how much a woman can tear a man apart. I cannot stand another day living inside the skin. With every breath I take, I wanna bring it to an end. And when I hear myself and see myself and touch myself, I wonder if what I need is to medicate myself. And every night I fall asleep to porn, getting off to images that leave me living mourn. I taste the nicotine inside my lips when I'm asleep. These demons steal my breath so no one leaves a fucking beat. I can feel them inside me. I feel them moving inside me. I wonder if this is what you wanted to see all along. Worse to you, worse turn me, to turn me inside out. Distort your secrets to me, show me what you think about. Because we all have demons hiding in the darkest spots. We lie and cheat and steal to keep ourselves from getting caught. Worse to you, worse turn me, to turn me inside out. Distort your secrets to me, show me what you think about. Because we all have demons hiding in the darkest spots. We lie and cheat and steal to keep ourselves from getting caught. Drink till I puke blood on Christmas night. 20 shots of Crown and 2 beers straight out on the fucking lights. Does he need to get his stomach pumped? Night of shame and headache, show the world that I am scum. I need more than my stomach pumped. Worse to you, worse to turn me inside out. Disgorge your secrets to me, show me what you think about. Because we all have demons hiding in the darkest spots. We lie and cheat and steal to keep ourselves from getting caught. Worse to you, worse turn me inside out. Disgorge your secrets to me, show me what you think about. Because we all have demons hiding in the darkest spots. We lie and cheat and steal to keep ourselves from getting caught. A little bit of a turnaround from the rest of the set, isn't it? moment because this last song, it's separate from the rest. It has nothing to do with lore, it has nothing to do with my self-deprecating self-worth it. I've been coming to metal shows and shows in general for about 10 years. And there's always that one person that's always stuck out to me, someone who hides their skin, hides their face, hides who they are because they are afraid of what other people think about them. And as a result of that isolation, they go home and they harm themselves. They look in the mirror and say, who the fuck finds any value in me? And that's not right. Because in a community like this, isolation is not an option. We are here as a community and no one deserves to feel like they are less deserving than the greatest love there is to offer. And so for any of you out here right now, I don't know who you are, I can't even see you. If you are dealing with thoughts of self-hatred and you're harming yourself when you go home at night, just know that you are worth more than that and that you are loved. This last song is called Beautiful Womb. Started beating. You were made beautiful. You were a most wonderful creation. Every molecule in your body was flawlessly aligned. And in that womb you were made whole. You were a most beautiful creation. A living and breathing manifestation of this brilliant energy that surrounds us all. You captured it all and encased in such an impossibly small and tiny frame. But these days you can't see yourself that way. Your world has convinced you that you have been labeled not enough, that within the womb you were created to be less than divine. The cracks in your intricate frame have labeled you the fuck up. When you look in the mirror, you can't see past their words far enough to see the innate complexities that reside right in the very foundation of who you were made to be. So let me ask you a question. What if I told you that your beauty seeps from beneath the cracks, and that you have been whole since the very beginning? There is nothing that you lack. So wildly and so deeply, and that your cracks are there to shine the light that is hiding underneath. You don't have to hate yourself anymore. You don't have to hurt yourself anymore. Judge my mind, I ask. What hurts so deep that you cut beneath the skin? What burns so bad that you slice and bleed it out? Between your blood and your tears, you'll soon run dry. There's so much more for you to do before the light leaves your eyes. You're breathing and there's meaning to it. You're part of this planet bringing healing to a world out of your broken and bleeding hands. Can't you see? Can't you see? You are worth more than what you allow yourself to see. You can see what I see. You see what he sees.
your crack